Hey folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about how much a small-time YouTube channel makes. When I first started, I was always curious how much YouTube channels make. We know that the larger channels can make millions of dollars a year, but I really think the more realistic version, if this is something you're interested in, most channels, most people will not have 10 million subscribers. Probably, realistically speaking, won't even get to 1 million. So how much does a small YouTube channel with 2,000 subscribers make? Don't forget to hit the like button at the end if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel. Of course, really appreciate the support, but let's get into it. So in addition to this channel where I talk about personal finance and other insurance, other financial news topics, I have another smaller channel where I just play video games, mostly mobile games, a game called Baseball 9, baseball game, also play other sports games, try to get some League of Legends, Call of Duty, wide variety. So if you're interested in that, be sure to hit that subscribe button. But we're gonna talk about the analytics and the monetization behind that channel. Obviously, money shouldn't be the sole reason that you're starting a YouTube channel or that you're trying to be a content creator on social media or websites. I think you should really start from a place where you like doing it, you're passionate about the subject, you want to share it, you want to create content. And I think that really catches on if people are interested. They'll see that you're interested, they might be interested in the same topic and follow you. The other way around, you might not be as motivated, you might see it as another job, put a lot of time and effort into it, and as I'll go into later, you won't make a ton of money right off the bat, contrary from what you see in the more big name, popular YouTube channels. So the first step to even get monetized on YouTube, you have to meet their criteria and eligibility. I'll give you a quick rundown of it. Number one, you have to follow all the monetization policies. You have to live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. That's what this program is called, where you can get monetized and get paid through YouTube videos. Number three, you have to have 4,000 valid public watch hours. Number four, 1,000 subscribers. And number five, you need to have a linked AdSense account for you to get paid. What most people usually think of and hear of when they hear about YouTube monetization and joining the partner program is that 1,000 subscriber benchmark. Usually, if you can get 1,000 subscribers, you probably will qualify to get approved. But the second big goal there is the public watch hour metric. So this must be valid watch hours. So don't really know how they identify on the back end, but if you have botted hours or you bought views, they might be able to toss those hours out the door. So they just want to be sure that people are actually watching your videos and you have content to contribute. For example, if you see those channels that are like trying to get 10,000 subscribers without any videos, they can have the subscriber count all they want, but they won't be able to monetize and post videos once they hit that benchmark. And once you do meet those requirements, you're eligible to join the program. You have to submit an application basically telling YouTube that you've met all the criteria, you've agreed to all the policies, you have that AdSense account, and they will put your account through a review process. They will go through your channel, look at your videos, look at your content, make sure it's within their guidelines, and approve your channel. Right now, during COVID, the wait times may vary. It can take anywhere from a couple weeks to a couple months or longer, just based on how many cases they're currently handling and how much support staff they have. For me, I was approved earlier this year. It took me about a month or so. I want to say a little bit over a month, but your mileage will vary. I have my channel monetized. To cut to the chase, how much money have I made from this small 2,000 subscriber YouTube channel focusing mainly on mobile gaming? The answer is just under 2 years, just under $400. It's a whopping $200 a year. And I'll break this down and explain why this amount may seem so little. To give you some other stats, I have about 400,000 total channel views. So nothing crazy, but you know, it's not too shabby. 2,000 subscribers, and I've made about 200 videos to date. So if we break it down, that's about $2 a video. If you're looking towards YouTube channels and that so-called affiliate income, to quit your job, get rich. Probably not going to happen, just putting it out there. And taking into account, it probably takes me an hour to 2 hours to film and edit each video. That's coming out to $2 a video. $2 a video takes 1 or 2 hours, $1 an hour. So if I really wanted the money, probably just go to McDonald's, pick up a part-time job, drive Uber, drive Lyft, and I'd probably make more than putting that time into a channel. So that was a breakdown of the money, but where does this money come from? YouTube certainly isn't paying you out of the goodness in their hearts, right? They're running a business here. YouTube gets paid by advertisers to place ads on their website and on your videos, and you as a creator get paid every time an ad is run on your video. So if there's no ad for whatever reason, you will not get paid, with a small exception. Things like ad block or other ways to block ads. No ads are played, no money for you. So you've probably heard of this metric CPM, which is an estimate of how much you make per 1,000 monetized views. And that's important, the word monetized, because it's not on any view. Only on 1,000 views with ads run on it, you will earn that much money. So let's say you have a CPM of 5 and your video has 2,000 views, but only 1,000 are monetized. So you'll only earn $5 for those entire 2,000 views. You're not earning any money on the 1,000 that aren't monetized. You're earning that money on the ones that are. Recently, YouTube has introduced a new metric, RPM, revenue per mile, trying to give creators a better estimate on how much they can actually make. This amount tells you an estimate of the amount that you make across all your views. So this is taking into account all those views that aren't monetized and your CPM monetized views, and it'll give you a metric. Going back to the same example, if we have 2,000 views, your CPM might be $5, but your RPM will be $2.50. 2,000 views, you can pay $2.50 per 1,000 views. Once again, $5 for 1,000 monetized views. And other ways you can earn money are things such as channel subscriptions, super chats. I've earned $0 through those sources on YouTube. So what are some other sources of revenue, you may ask? We hear about passive income through YouTube channels. There are a variety of ways, but to date, I haven't made anything through those sources as well. Things such as affiliate links, sponsorships, ad placements, donations, merchandise. All things that a lot of the medium to larger channels have set up and contribute a significant portion of their income, but it is harder for smaller channels to grow those sources. And this will also vary on your audience. For example, if they're more interested in a specific niche and you're trying to sell them something that's completely unrelated, they might be less willing to go and click and check those things out. I've had those Amazon, eBay affiliate links in all my video descriptions and no one's really been interested. So it will also depend on your specific audience and what they're interested in. I also haven't reached out to any brands or companies for any sponsored or ads placed on my videos. I suspect we may get a better possibility and a better chance at that once we kind of grow and get more viewers. So this was just a very quick summary of how my channel has done through the first 2,000 subscribers. It's just interesting to note that you don't get paid until you're approved. So even if something gets viral, goes viral, I had a video with a decent amount of views before then, but you just can't collect until you start ramping up with the ads. So let me know if you have any questions or anything else you're interested, curious to see about a small channel. I'd love to answer those questions, maybe make a follow-up video. And I do want to conclude and end this off by having a brief discussion about passive income and the concept of it in general. I made a more in-depth and full video about this. Be sure to go check that out. But I wouldn't consider YouTube channels, content creation as a source of passive income. Sure, the money that you get later on may be passive in the sense that you just have to make it once. You don't have to show up to work every day and earn that paycheck. But the amount of time and effort put behind videos, creating content is significant, and it does take you a while before you make anything. And things such as sponsorships, affiliate links, those all come with your channel if you just have a YouTube channel, no viewers, no subscribers, put in all the affiliate links you want, you're not going to make any money off of that. These things are not easy to do, but if you put the time and effort and you're able to ramp up, it can be a great source of revenue for you. But it's not like something that's really passive, such as dividend stocks, where you literally just buy the stock and you get the dividend for doing nothing. You don't have to do anything. All you need is money and some time to pick out some stocks. And even real estate investing, passive income from rental properties or investment properties, you still have to take the time to go buy that property, to manage that property, to rent it out. It takes time and effort. So with a lot of things, the lesson here is that if you really want to work at it, you want to make some money off of it, maybe a part-time thing, not necessarily your entire career, you do have to put time and effort into it. So that's all I have for you today. Once again, let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.